Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this really spicy and cheesy stuffed burger. Guys, this is so good. It is unbelievably tasty and so cheesy. If you are like me and you love cheese, then this is a burger for you. So I'm gonna start off by seasoning my meat with some steak seasoning, some paprika, garlic powder, some Worcestershire sauce, some green onions, parsley. One whole egg is gonna go in there. Then I'm gonna season with some freshly cracked black pepper and some salt. Okay, guys, I'm telling you, I love to season my burger. I don't even understand why anyone would want to eat bland burger. It's horrible. Okay, so now that I've added everything I want to go into my burger, I'm gonna start mixing it up. Okay, so take your time here. Use gentle hands, guys. You don't want to overwork the meat, but you want to make sure everything is perfectly combined. And once you have everything combined, I'm gonna set that aside just so it marinates. And while my meat is marinating just a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and cook my bacon. Guys, what is a burger without bacon? It's a waste of time. Okay, always have bacon. Bacon makes everything taste good. So after cooking my bacon, I'm gonna take it off the pan and I'm gonna use all that delicious bacon fat to cook my mushrooms. Okay, because I'm gonna be stuffing my burger with mushrooms, jalapeños, and cheese. That's it. So once my mushrooms are cooked, I'm gonna take it off the pan and then I'm gonna begin to prepare my burger patties. Okay, so here is what I'm gonna be using to stuff it: some American cheese, some jalapenos, and some mushrooms. And I also have some regular shredded cheese that I picked up from my local shop, right? So here I have my meat and I'm gonna roll it into a bowl and then I'm gonna use my fingers to press it out. I don't have a burger press, so I'm using my hands. Okay, I'm going old school, guys, but if you have a burger press, by all means you can use it. Okay, it makes life easier. But I don't have it, so I like to use my fingers because I feel like that way you can avoid over pressing and overworking your meat. So once I have my meat all flattened out the way I want it, and guys, as you can tell, I am making a jumbo burger. Okay, this is not for kids, it's not for babies, it is a grown man's meal. So once my meat is all flattened out, I'm gonna start by adding one slice of my American cheese, my jalapenos, and I'm gonna add my mushrooms because you know I'm a mushroom lover. Then I'm gonna top it up with some shredded cheese. A lot of shredded cheese. You can put more or less, it depends on what you want. Then I'm gonna top that up with my American cheese again, and then another burger patty goes on top of it. Then I'm gonna press it around the edges to make sure everything is sealed together. And now it's time to cook my burgers. So now I'm gonna be adding some oil to my burger just to keep things from sticking. Okay, the worst thing that will happen to you is to have your burger stick to the pan. It is horrible. It's gonna get things messed up. So oiling your burger is gonna help. So I'm gonna cook this for 4 to 5 minutes per side, and that's because my burger is really thick. Okay, if you're cooking like really thin burgers, then you don't have to cook it for that long. Reduce the cook time, but mine was really thick, so 4 to 5 minutes was good. So I'm adding some extra slices of cheese because I'm a cheesy girl, guys. I love me my cheese. And I covered it to allow it to melt faster. So now that my burger is cooked, I'm gonna set it aside to rest, and while it's resting, I'm gonna quickly toast my buns in the same pan. And now it's time to assemble my burger. So I'm adding some mayonnaise because mayonnaise is always good. If you love any other kind of cream, maybe cream cheese or whatever, ketchup, feel free to add it, but mayonnaise was good for me. I'm adding some lettuce, some fresh tomatoes, and my burger goes on top of it. And I'm gonna top it up with the almighty bacon because bacon makes the world go round. So now that my burger is all assembled, I'm gonna cut it into two just so you guys can see how amazing it looks on the inside. Look at this, guys. It is good. Look at all that cheese. Oh my God. I cannot wait to dig into this one. It is amazing. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Go ahead and try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, now would be the perfect time to do it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and support a sister, okay? I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.